Spice Girls and Spice Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be bleaching our knots. Like, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me. Hopefully everything turns out right. Today's hair we're gonna be using is Jessica's hair. I've never ordered from this company before, so I'm really excited to try this hair out. This is the hair that I had in my last video that I posted, and now I'm just showing you guys how I bleach my knots and do my baby hairs and things like that. So let's get started. I'm going to open up the box and take the hair out of the package. So taking the hair out, and this is how the hair looks when you first take it out of the pack. It comes with the stuffed tissue, it comes with a little product tag on it, and it did have a hair net on it as well that I took off. So the hair feels so soft, and it's really soft, guys. This is how the lace looks here and how the inside of the cap is constructed. So as you guys can see, it is a 360 lace. So that's how the scalp looks right now. And those black dots are what we're going to be getting rid of. We don't want those black dots when we part our hair. We want it to look more like a natural scalp. So hopefully you guys seen that. So we're going to flip the cap inside out, because this is where we will be bleaching our knots. I have a plastic bag here. Some people use aluminum foil, but I didn't have any, so I just went ahead and used a plastic bag. Here I'm going to be using my 40 developer and a BW2 powder pack. Now a 40 might be, I don't know if it's the right developer or not, but I mean, this is what I seen another YouTuber use, and yeah, I'm just gonna use it. Make sure you wear gloves, because if you don't wear gloves, this stuff burns. Like, it will burn your fingers. So make sure you use gloves. You can buy gloves from anywhere. I am going to be opening up my pack of BW2 powder and pouring that inside of a cup. So you can just use, well, a bowl. You can just use any bowl that you don't want anymore, or any bowl that you use specifically for the bleach. And I have a little brush here with it's like a little spoon brush, I guess you can say. And I'm just pouring the 40 developer in there and just kind of mixing it to get the consistency that I want. You want to make sure that it's not too thick, and you want to make sure that it's not too, like, you don't want it to be running a lot. And guys, this stuff really burnt my eyes while I was doing this. I had to keep looking away while I was mixing it up, so just FYI. Mix that up really good. Next, as you can see, I have not cut the lace or anything like that. I'm just gonna start by tapping the product onto the lace here. Now, it may look like I'm rubbing it in really hard, but I'm really not, because if you rub it in really hard, guys, it's gonna seep through the holes and it's gonna actually get on the hair, and we don't want our hair bleached. At least I don't want my hair bleached. We're just bleaching the knots. We're just getting rid of those dark spots on the lace. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap that in there really good, and just make sure we get all over the entire lace and the entire front lace here, because, you know, where we parted it, we're gonna want to see a natural looking scalp. And because this can be parted anywhere, we want to get everywhere around the lace. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, just tapping it in there really good. So once that's done, I am going to take the plastic bag and just cover up the bleach. I'm not pressing it on there. I'm literally just, you know, covering it up. And we're gonna let that sit for a while.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after about 15-20 minutes, I wouldn't do no longer than 30 minutes, we're going to be rinsing the hair. So here I'm just using some cool water and I'm rinsing the bleach out of the hair really good. Sorry you guys can't see everything, but I'm just rinsing the bleach out the hair. All right, you can see how our scalp is looking here. It looks a little bit more natural already. So now I'm just gonna take my shampoo, and I think this is it's coconut shampoo. I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna run it through the hair. When I wash any of my hair, I don't like, you know how you do your real hair, you're kind of just like running your hands all through it and just like moving it around everywhere. With weave, I just like to go in an up and down motion. I don't like to just kind of move the hair around everywhere. I just feel like it's gonna mess up the texture of the hair. I don't know, that's just me. So yeah, I'm just gonna run that all through the hair. Okay, then we're gonna rinse that out. Same thing with rinsing. I just like to go up and down with rinsing it out. And how I know that like the shampoo or whatever product I put in the hair is out is like when I run my hand all the way down to the bottom and squeeze the excess water out, it'll be clear. You see how that's like real soapy, so it still has a lot of shampoo in there. I get it as clear as possible. You want to make sure you get the inside of the cap, and you want to make sure you get the outside of the cap too. So yeah. Okay, next we're going to be going in with the shimmer lights. And what this does is it gets rid of like that brownsy orange color that you'll get sometimes after you bleach some stuff. So you put this pretty purple shimmer lights on there and you just rub that really good on the cap and where you basically bleach the knots at is where I'm rubbing it at. I'm not putting this on the entire hair, you know, anything like that. It's literally where I bleached my knots at, just to kind of get rid of that bronzy look. So you make sure you get that on there really, really good. Right, and I am going to be rinsing my hair once again with cool water. Next, I'm going to be using my Shea Moisturizer Conditioner. I love this conditioner for my real hair, so I decided to use it for my wig as well because it leaves my hair soft and curly and just really, really pretty. So I was like, why not use it? Like, you can use whatever conditioner you want. So I'm going to be just using this and running a lot of this through the hair as well. And I'm going to be deep conditioning it, so I am going to be leaving it and putting it inside of a bag and keeping it in there for about 30 minutes. Alrighty. Okay, so we're going to be taking our hair out of the bag after we let it sit in there for about 30 minutes. You can deep condition as long as you want to. That's just the time that I did for this hair. I mean, it was already soft and already pretty, but I just wanted to deep condition it anyways. So yeah, let's rinse all of that conditioner out with some cold water. Here, I'm just combing the conditioner through the hair really good. And now we're going to be rinsing her out. And I'm rinsing her out the same way I did when I washed and added the shimmer lights. Just going in an up and down motion to get all of the soap out of the hair. Also rinsing out the inside of the cap there. And we're just going to rinse it until the water starts to run clear. So rinse, 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 rinse. And we're done. Now we're just going to towel dry the hair, and I'm going to be going in a down motion as well just to get rid of all the excess water. Look how pretty that hair is. Oh my God. So nice. Okay, so now I put my hair on a mannequin's head, and we're going to just take a look at how the scalp looks, the lace scalp looks while it's on the mannequin. So I'm just going to part it anywhere, and look at that. It looks so natural. I mean, it looks exactly like my scalp. And we're going to part it again just to make sure that, you know, it did bleach really well. And I think it turned out great, ladies. So yeah, again, this hair is from Jessica's Hair. It is so soft and so pretty. It's really bouncy. I really love it. Go check out my YouTube video I posted last week about the initial review of the hair. And if you guys want to watch, I'll be posting a video on how I do my baby hairs and how I cut my lace. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you later. Bye.